What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best 3D printers in 2022. There's a lot of choice for 3D printers. The 3D printer market is growing at an explosive rate, with new brands and styles of printing making an appearance each year. Where many 3D printers used to be huge, expensive machines, developments in technology and production now mean that many of the options you can buy are increasingly affordable, and able to sit on a desk in your home without the need for workshop space. Naturally, this means there's now a huge choice of 3D printers out there that cater to all kinds of user needs and budgets. While this choice is great, it can make picking the 3D printer for your specific needs more difficult. However, this guide can help, as we pick some brilliant 3D printers for all kinds of uses and budgets, with clear buying advice to help you determine which one you should buy. Printing hardware has really taken off in recent years, so while a handful of filament printers, otherwise known as FDM printers, were all that was once available, there's now a wide variety of different styles to suit your needs across a range of budgets. You can use 3D printers to build complete products, make spare parts, or simply create things you'll find useful for your home, office, and workshop. And, since 3D printing technology opens a new tab, is within grasp of just about anyone, you don't have to utilize one to your advantage. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3S1 Pro. The Ender 3S1 Pro comes mostly assembled and only took us about 15 minutes and a handful of bolts to put together. Bed leveling, the bane of makers new to the hobby, is no longer a worry with Creality's CR Touch Probe. This is by far one of the easiest auto leveling systems we've tested. The list of improvements the Ender 3S1 Pro has over the humble Ender 3 is massive. It has a Sprite direct drive with an all-metal hot end, a pay-coated steel flex plate, a color touch screen, tension knobs, a storage drawer, a light kit, and even a better spool holder. The S1 Pro also comes with a swappable tool head, allowing you to add the optional laser module for engraving. But all of its bells and whistles wouldn't land the Ender 3S1 Pro at the top of our best 3D printers list if it didn't also provide amazing output. When we printed a variety of detailed models such as a toy dolphin, a vase, and a beckoning cat, prints were extremely sharp, with fine lines and little to no stringing. In addition to the great models we printed with PLA filament, we got really strong results when we worked with TPU and PEEK filaments. Some green TPU. Specification and features. Rand, Son. Smart. Material, metal. Color, black. Item weight, 8.6 kilograms. Supported file format, OBJ, STL. Reasons to buy. Easy assembly. Great print quality. Direct drive. All metal hot end. Auto bed leveling. Reasons to avoid. Pricey for an Ender. Mediocre UI. Number 2. Anycubic Viper 3D Printer. The Anycubic Viper isn't the largest or even the most capable 3D printer on the market, but it's our top choice as the best option for most people thanks to its easy-to-use features. You're getting automatic bed leveling, which is an absolute game changer, especially if you've used older 3D printers that require you to manually level them. It saves a bunch of time and confusion, and best of all, it's very reliable, so you can simply set up the machine, allow it to level itself, and then start printing. Anycubic also provides a decent selection of handy accessories such as filament cutters and a bed scraper that can be stored directly within the machine itself thanks to a built-in drawer located at the front. Overall, this is easy to use for first-timers, and while the profile that it comes with for the Cura slicing software needs a little bit of work, it's also a good choice for seasoned hobbyists and professionals too, as it can achieve high detail and quality. Basically, it's one of the best 3D printers you can get no matter your experience level. Specification and features. Brand, Anycubic. Material, metal. Color, black. Item weight, 10 kilograms. Compatible devices, laptop. Reasons to buy. Built-in drawer for accessories. Automatic bed leveling. Decent build capacity. Reasons to avoid. Slicing software profile needs adjusting. Build quality is a little rough. Number 3. Elegoo Mars 2 Pro 3D Printer. If you're getting into resin 3D printing for the first time, you have an overwhelming number of options and price points. The good news for beginners is you don't have to sacrifice your budget for quality. You can find the easy-to-use Mars 2 Pro. Its smaller build volume is perfect for gaming miniatures and trinkets but not larger models. And though its 2K resolution may not be the most detailed among resin printers, it is miles ahead of the quality you can achieve with a filament-based machine. The Mars 2 Pro comes with a built-in filter system that I found really helps with fumes associated with resin printing. Its spring-loaded self-leveling build platforms is hands down the easiest system we've ever used. Specification and features. Brand, Elegoo. Material, resin. Color, Mars 2 Pro. Compatible material, resin. Connectivity technology, USB. Reasons to buy. Spring-loaded self-leveling build platform. Integrated air filtration system. Reasons to avoid. Build volume can feel limited. Number 4. Frozen Sonic Mini 8K LCD Resin 3D Printer. Sure, resin-based printers are already well known for being great at capturing tiny detail, but few printers manage it as well as the Frozen Sonic Mini 8K. As the name might imply, this tiny powerhouse is capable of printing at an 8K resolution, which is perfect for fans of tabletop games such as Dungeons & Dragons or Warhammer. This is fantastic for printing miniatures and other detailed models at a minute scale, and the small size of the machine means it can be right at home on just about any shelf or desk, providing there's decent ventilation. It lacks a built-in filter and it's fairly expensive, but you're paying for quality, so we wouldn't consider it overpriced considering the detail it can achieve. Specification and features. Brand, Frozen. Material, resin. Compatible material, resin. Print technology, MSLA. Build area, 165 by 72 by 180 mm. Dimensions, 290 by 290 by 420 mm. Possible layer resolution, 22 microns. Reasons to buy. Extremely high detail. Front-facing USB port. Compact design is good for small spaces. Reasons to avoid. Expensive for a resin printer. No built-in filter. Number 5. Voxel Aquila S2 3D Printer. If you want to print with PLA filament, any competent FDM printer can get the job done. ABS and PEEK materials are a bit more demanding, but still usable on a high-quality machine. But if you want to use more exotic materials such as nylon or carbon fiber, you'll need a printer that can get much hotter than the 240-degree cap we see on popular models like the Creality Ender 3 Pro. Able to reach up to 300-degree temperatures thanks to its aluminum nozzle, the Voxel Aquila S2 can produce gorgeous prints with filaments that other models can't handle. In our tests, it produced a highly detailed print of Benchy, a boat commonly used as a test model, in nylon. It also provided strong output when we tried a detailed bust of Groot with PLA. Aquila S2's magnetic build plate is flexible, with both a textured side and a smooth side. The open-air printer is fairly easy to set up and uses a 4.3-inch display with a dial as its interface. It comes with 2 different slicer apps, Ultimaker Cura and Voxel Maker, though the former is the industry standard and the one you'll most likely want to use. The biggest downside to Voxelab's printer is that it requires manual bed leveling, so you'll need to do that work if you want to ensure you get a good first layer. Specification and features. Brand, Voxel. Material, metal, steel. Color, black. Compatible material, aluminum, alloy steel. Voltage, 230 volts. Reasons to buy. Can print high-temp materials such as nylon. Flexible magnetic build plate. Affordable price. Reasons to avoid. Manual bed leveling. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.